The Bush administration has made tort reform one of its main goals. If they have their way, frivolous lawsuits will be a thing of the past. Oh, it's coffee. It's supposed to be hot. But for the past 15 years, 2 Long Island activists have been taking their fight for legal reform to the streets.
Harvey Cash.
Hello, this is Sarah speaking. Let's go.
Okay.
Their organization, Americans for Legal Reform.
Americans for Legal Reform is an organization that is designed to help people cope with the legal system as it exists today.
Some use grassroots mobilization and petitioning. Harvey and Carl use their rapier wit.
What's the difference between a lawyer and an onion? You cry when you cut up an onion.
What do you call a lawyer up to his neck in sand? Not enough
Not
sand.
enough sand.
Because you would want to bury his entire body and suffocate him.
Trial lawyer Walter Alston Jr. objects.
I don't find these jokes too funny, and I think some of them are crude and hurtful, actually.
Really?
What do you throw a drowning lawyer?
A life preserver.
No. Nothing buoyant, that's for sure. No. Maybe something with a higher density, like a stone or a boulder.
Pathetic. The truth of the matter is lawyers are very important in society.
Ambulance! Ambulance!
Whoop, whoop, woo, 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 woo. Do you want to go chase that? Woo, 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 woo. Wah, wah, wah.
No great protest movement is without risk. As Harvey and Carl were telling jokes outside a local courthouse, they met their match.
What if 500 lawyers at the bottom of the ocean?
A gentleman, about 5 people in front of us, turned around, smoke was coming out of his ears, and he said, "Shut up, I'm a lawyer." The lieutenant said, "You people were disturbing the peace out there."
Harvey and Carl were arrested on nuisance and obscenity charges. They clearly deny the obscenity part.
I grew up in a house with 3 women, actually 4 women, including my wife, and I didn't want my daughters to hear that kind of language. It's not necessary.
What words won't you say in front of women?
You know, crap, I mean, you know...
Stop you for a second.
Sucker?
Sorry, Cash.
Mother... or whatever.
So on behalf of his beautiful daughters, I confronted the sucking mother that was smearing him.
They were at the courthouse voicing their concern with the state of America's legal system.
I believe they were in court or near court because of a drunken driving charge.
We spoke to a lawyer, and you know what this guy is saying about you?
Right.
That one of you is up on a drunk driving charge, and that's why you were at the courthouse to begin with.
So what?
Is that true?
Yeah,
It's just
we're
so
in line.
So what?
So what? The stress of battling the legal profession made them hit the bottle. Truthfully, would you drive around in this thing sober? But fear not for these anti-lawyer activists. They'll be fine.
I have an attorney handling the case for me right currently, because there are procedures and papers and all the rest of that.
Thank God you have a lawyer, because otherwise you'd be screwed.
Let's hope his diseased ambulance-chasing mother of a lawyer gets him off soon.